This ever happened to you? Oh, wonderful. This video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid this little issue. So check this out. It's the dead of winter time, and the temperature in the lab is fairly cold. And you're going to run into slumping retainers. So I'll do one side and do the other side different. Watch this. So one side's going to be typical build up like I'm making a retainer. This is just a demo. And the other side, do the same. But on this side, I'm going to do a little something different. This is thanks to my tip that I learned. So I got both these sides built up. So here we go. But can you see what I'm talking about? The demonstration with a little bit of heat. This is without it. You take these out of the pot and this is what you get. Slumpy time. See how my other side is not slumped? Perfect. This time I'm going to show you something that I've been doing for the last couple weeks that's just been really cool on making marble patterns. So let me just demonstrate. I'll show you. I'm just going to make a random pattern. By using my heat source that I was taught to freeze it, you'll see what happens. If you've seen some of my marble videos, you'll see that by adding the red monomer, it brings a more vibrant marble pattern. Make my pattern, but instead of freezing it with acrylic, with clear acrylic, I'm going to do this little trick to really freeze the pattern. So right there is something really pretty that I want to keep. So before it slumps into position, I'm going to freeze it for just a second. And you can see that it's just hardens it just enough. Now when I put my coat on it, that pattern is beautifully saved. Now I can move on to the rest of it. Understand? Pretty cool. Throw this in the pot and you'll see what happens. Now I can even add a little to it. Build it up a little bit if you want. Some clear coat. But that pattern is not going to be slumped. It's not going to be... Get that little spot. It's not going to... The pattern is going to be crisp. It's going to be... Because it was frozen in time with heat. Now I just really fast pumice and polished this just so you can see the effect of what it looks like when you freeze the marble effect. So nothing slumps. It really gives a really cool pattern. So make sure that send me some posts when you try your patterns. Hi everybody, Steve Szara here from Szara Dental Lab, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like if you like this type of content. Remember, we've got a new video coming out every Tuesday, 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. And as always, my friends,